What's up guys, today we're with Finn, Oli and Owen and we're going to be doing the woodwork challenge. If you don't know what this is, we've got to shoot a ball, like take it in turns and hit the post, crossbar and the other post. So
we have found ourselves a Kirkpatrick.
Let's go.
Oh. Whose goes it now?
What can we do? Oh, that's close. That's close. That's a forfeit.
Red ball. Go on then.
He's just going to hit it.
Go on then.
Go on then.
Just going to hit it. Half close.
Oh, stop filming.
Go get the ball down.
Stop filming now.
How can you miss?
LeBron, football boss.
LeBron the football.
What? Started going in Kirkpatrick.
Oh, well done.
Is challenge in a Ronaldo.
Kirky can't kick a ball. The ball now is 21.
I kicked the floor.
You're studying right out the goal.
Is that hit?
No way, that was so accidental. That was definitely meant to hit the ball. Okay, hello.
How do you feel?
I feel good.
Looks like you'll get. Ollie's going to get a red ball back.
What do you mean, Ollie? We're all drawing by you.
Ollie always loses.
I'm trying to go for the bar, and then when
He's trash.
how can you miss? Owen stood in front of the camera.
I got pushed by a crossbar. Bing. If you hit
You've
that
already
one,
been for that
I
post.
didn't mean
He tried to hit the crossbar. He said crossbar, and then
Can he miss? How can he miss? Oh, that's how. Can't believe it.
I sweat FIFA for a job.
Oh my.
Go. How can you miss? Ooh, that's how. I'm here with my favourite thing, and Ollie. How can you miss? How can you miss? Oh! Oh my God! Owen made Ollie can't see, so this is for Specsavers. This is to pay his funds. If I hit this, we can pay for glasses.
Oh, I scored! Bing! Yeah.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh. Cut that one out.
We are so bad. We've been recording for 3 minutes and we've got one post hit
Hi.
and an intro.
Oh.
Finn got in the way of the goal, but you know.
It didn't hit.
Oh.
Oh, I don't want Owen to win, but no one's going to hit it because we're in here like 20 minutes. Time to show him how it's done.
Because you're in the JMX.
Because I'm doing it like JMX.
That's what I was going to do, copycat.
You didn't do it, though, did you?
Jesus.
Wait, you might go on the other post.
Hey guys.
Yes! Go, Dom. You need to do it to
How do you
help us from Owen.
You haven't hit anything yet.
Owen has, though.
Guys.
And Owen's the second smallest. And then I'm the third smallest, so I'm next.
Oh.
Oh, well, that just didn't
What was
work.
that?
Go.
It was.
Just go. Treat.
Oh!
The heart's pounding. I'm happy it comes on. What are you on for? With your friends. What am I doing with my life?
Nice start, Dominic.
I hit the back of it. Nice scar. Shut up.
I'm going to record from a ridiculous angle.
Johnson is on the mic.
Oh my God!
Trousers down.
I'll take the ball. I need to hit the two.
That girl had a big ass, though. Everybody say it with me. That ass. That ass.
Owen's already got 2.
Get in the bin!
Where's the bin then?
I told him to get in the bin, so he's gonna do it. You're a minger.
Don't mind me. In the bin.
Oh, these are new trainers.
Get in this then.
Oh no. These are new trainers. Okay.
Wins a real bugger. Oh, Owen gets second.
Owen is about to get assassinated.
So Finn and Owen have got first and second. Finn get first, Owen got second. Okay. It's taken too long to because me and Ollie are really bad at football. So is Owen, but he just got lucky a few times. But me and Ollie are just gonna see if we can hit one part of the woodwork instead of
First
all of it.
person to do it wins.
Yeah.
If you don't do it, then what's the punishment?
You get red ass.
By everyone.
Let's go.
Sudden death.
Oh,
You
man.
don't hit it, you won.
If I hit this, I win.
No, you don't. No, you don't. You come first.
Oh my god!
How do you win? You come first.
Oh yeah, 30.
Oopsie, oopsie doopsie.
Owen's filming.
Oh, he's
Owen just
bad.
filmed himself going oopsie doopsie.
Yeah.
Nah, Dom, it's 30 grand to rent for a week.
I like it.
I'm not even joking.
This is
They have 2 more attempts. The lose, if they don't hit it, they both get a big fat round.
Hey, look, same colour.
You're bad, and you know. Ah, hit the back bit.
Ollie! Ollie! Hit your brother.
Manchester. I'm part of the attack. London.
Juventus.
London. No, Manchester.
Oh yeah. Go, go.
He's Dominic. Hey, Dom. Shut up.
Manchester. La, la.
Oh my God! My face.
You didn't lose.
Yeah, no, but let me finish.
You should have lost on this. Dom, so what are we doing in this video next? Funny. Get in goal. Are you filming? Right, no one's been hit yet in pretty much any of the videos. Dom's going to get down now and he's going to get hit. Ready? It's time to face the red ball.
I hit it in the same place both times. Yeah. No, I didn't. Come on.
So Finn won, and Owen got second, and me and Ollie both got third, you could say. And subscribe to Owen, Ollie, and Finn on their channels and the description. So yeah, see you next time, I guess. Jimmy, where's he gone? There.